Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers 5th July 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers. This week in this video we are included 6 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 1 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs, in government job, first one is management trainee mechanical at Bharat Dynamics Limited (BDL). Bharat Dynamics Limited is one of India's manufacturers of ammunition and missile systems. It was founded in 1970 as a public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Defence, Government of India, to be the manufacturing base for guided missile systems and allied equipment for the Indian Armed Forces. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances are 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus DA plus allowances. Approximate CTC is 10.52 lakhs per annum. Number of posts is 9. Qualification is first class bachelor's degree in BE BTech Mechanical Engineering. Final year students should possess mark sheets or memos and course completion certificates with the requisite percentage of marks in the essential qualification at the time of interview. Application fee is 500 for general and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, internal employees candidate. Age limit is 28 years. Selection procedure. Selection will be based on written test, computer based online test and interview. Candidates fulfilling the prescribed eligibility criteria will be called for computer based online test CBT. The weightage assigned to CBT and interview marks in the selection process is 85% and 15% respectively. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 19 July 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Assistant Commandant Technical at Indian Coast Guard. The Indian Coast Guard ICG is an armed force search and rescue and maritime law enforcement agency that protects India's maritime industry and enforces its maritime law. The Indian Coast Guard operates under the Ministry of Defence. The Coast Guard works in close cooperation with the Indian Navy, the Department of Fisheries, the Department of Revenue, Customs and the Central and State Police Forces. Only candidates cleared their final year or final semester exams and completed their degree are to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary offered are basic pay of 56,100 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Number of posts is 10 for technical engineering or electrical branch. Application fee is nil. Selection procedure. Stage 1. Candidates will be shortlisted based on the percentage of marks in the qualifying examination. Shortlisted candidates will be called for preliminary selection at given date and time, which will consist of mental ability test, cognitive aptitude test and picture perception and discussion test. Stage 2. Final selection. The candidates who qualify preliminary selection will be called for final selection. The final selection will be consist of psychological test, group task and interview or personality test. How to apply? Detailed notification can seen at the website as shown on screen. Candidates can apply through the website as shown on screen on or before 14 July 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Executive at ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPAL's last date is 7 July 2021. Project Associate 1 at National Center for Earth Science Studies, last date is 7 July 2021. Junior Manager Mechanical at Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India DFCCL's last date is 23rd July 2021. Technical Officer C, Group A at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, IGCAR's last date is 31st July 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is construction engineer, plumbing and firefighting at Maze, Gurgaon. Maze Group Limited, commonly known as Maze, is a globally consultancy and construction firm headquartered in London, UK, employing approximately 5,000 people across 5 continents with a turnover of excess 2 billion euros. Maze rebranded in 2008, becoming Maze Group, expanding its service offers spanning consultancy services and construction across the entire property life cycle. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 02 year. Job number is 11034. Roles and responsibilities: assisting in the conducting field work and at the time take the lead in this effort, attending meetings with the client and issue minutes when the project manager cannot attend or accompany the project manager to meetings, organizing and direct frequent in-house meeting and under the direction of the project manager, assisting in the preparation of storyboards and detailed project timelines, supporting in organization and maintenance of the design binder. Role is construction engineer. Functional area is engineering and construction. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Sales and Marketing Executive at Combustion Concepts Private Limited, Mumbai. Established in 1988, is located near Mumbai and specializes in the field of combustion equipments. The management consists of technocrats with more than 5 decades of experience in the field of thermal equipments. Our industrial burners have been installed and operating at thousands of plants across India and world and proven to be reliable combustion system. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Salary offered are 2 lakh to 4 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: builds business by identifying and selling prospects, maintains relationship with clients by providing support, information and guidance, prepares report by collection, analyzing and summarizing information, maintain quality service by establishing and enforcing organization standards, maintains professional and technical knowledge by understanding the product, benchmarking state of the art practices, etc. Role is Sales Executive or Officer. Function area is engineering and construction. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Sales Engineer 2 at Asian Paints Limited, APL, Mumbai. Asian Paints Limited is an Indian multinational paint company headquartered in Mumbai. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, selling and distribution of paints, coatings, products related to home decor, bath fittings and providing of related services. Asian Paints is India's largest and Asia's third largest paint corporation. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Job description: identify, index and review market potential for waterproofing products in project sales, provide technical assistance pre and post sales at the project sites related to waterproofing products, identify and engage with a set of medium to large waterproofing applicators, consultants, etc. for the purpose of market expansion and upgradation. Identify and train project sales applicators on practical applications of waterproofing products at regular intervals. Role is Sales Engineer 2. Function area is sales. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? The interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Graduate Engineering Trainee, Spurs Marketing at Shiving Stetter India Private Limited. Schwingstetter India Private Limited is a German MNC into manufacture of heavy machineries like batching plant or concrete pump and concrete mixer for the construction industry. We are the pioneer of concrete construction equipment manufacturing in India, catering to the customers with world-class concreting equipment. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Roles and responsibilities: good communication and negotiation skill, strong interpersonal and problem solving skill, ability to meet targets and ability to grasp customer needs and requirements, develop new customers in expanding market and building long-term relationship with customers. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Function area is industrial products, heavy machinery. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Mechanical Engineer at KEPCO Plant Service and Engineering Co. Limited, Rajasthan. KEPCO Plant Service and Engineering Co. Limited is a 40-year-old world-class power plant service provider with a covered capacity of 50,980 MW in Korea and greater than 6,500 MW in overseas. They are recruiting for operation and maintenance of 2 into 80 MW thermal power plant at Dariba, Rajasthan. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 5 year. Salary offered are 3 lakh to 5 lakh per annum. Job description: work area, coal-based thermal power plant with exposure to PF boilers, condensing turbines of minimum capacity 40 MW, coal handling plant, ash handling plant. Role is mechanical engineer. Industry type is power. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Graduate Engineering Trainee at SLR Metallics Limited, Bangalore. SLR Metallics Limited is a steel producer and it have 0.3 MTPA alloy steel plant spread over 300 acres comprising a captive power station 6 MW to churn over 16 alloy groups comprising various grades of steel. Since its inception in 2005, hosted the Steel City of Karnataka, SLR Metallics has invested in innovation and has emerged as a touchstone of quality. In the year of 2012, SLRM has entered into a joint venture with MS Fomento Group. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 years. Salary offered are 2 lakh to 2,25,000 per annum. Job description: computer knowledge, hardware or software networking, preparing purchase order, sale invoice in ERP, troubleshooting software and networking related issues and managing departmental daily activities. Role is graduate engineering training. Industry type is steel manufacturing. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is Graduate Apprentice Trainees at Liquid Propulsion System Center, LPSC, Trivandrum. The Liquid Propulsion System Center, LPSC, is a research and development center functioning under Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. LPSC is engaged in development of liquid and cryogenic propulsion stages for launch vehicles and auxiliary propulsion system for both launch vehicles and satellites. Activities related to liquid propulsion stages, cryogenic propulsion stages and control systems for launch vehicles and spacecraft is done at Trivandrum. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2019, 2020 and 2021 are only eligible to apply. Number of posts are 40. Stipend offered are 9,000. Candidates should possess first class mechanical engineering degree awarded by an Indian university with not less than 65% of marks or 6.84 CGPA. Selection procedure: the final rank list would be prepared according to categories general or SC, ST or OBC on the basis of marks obtained by the candidates. How to apply? Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in NAS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates have to log in apprenticeship portal and find establishment name by searching Indian Space Research Organization Liquid Propulsion System Center and then apply on or before 26 July 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.